Hi everyone, this is Nikita from the Jam and Panther team. Today I'll be talking about using PostgreSQL Database with Panther in a Red Hat machine. In this video, I will talk about how to connect Panther 553 to PostgreSQL Database server on a Red Hat machine. These are the high-level steps. First, we'll go through the prerequisites. Then, we'll see what all do we need to install from Prolifix. The next step would be to update the prol5 unix.ini file and to create an odbc.ini file. Finally, we'll see how to connect to the PostgreSQL database. These are my prerequisites. We need PostgreSQL database server to be installed. Here, the version we are using is 12.6. You can run these two commands for installing Postgres. We also need PostgreSQL odbc driver. You can run the below command, that is dnf install PostgreSQL 12-odbc to install Panther odbc driver. So, what do we need to install from Prolifix? We need to install Panther 553 client and Panther odbc driver on Red Hat. After installing them, make sure you verify that you have odbc directory in your installation folder. The next step is to update the prol5 unix.ini file. For this, we'll have to add label to the file. This file is in the SM base in your config folder. In the picture below, the label is odbc2. The next step is to create an odbc.ini file. This file is used for setting up the PostgreSQL data source. We use the odbc.ini environment variable to point to it. It should contain the following syntax for creating PostgreSQL data source as shown in the picture below. Connecting to the PostgreSQL database. It can be done in two ways. The first is using SQL and the second can be done manually. For connecting through the SQL, we need to just type in this particular syntax. Let's see how to connect it manually through a demo. To connect to the database manually, we'll first click on File, we'll click on Open, and then the database. Here, as you can see, the engine name and the label name is odbc2, as we have mentioned before. We'll click on OK. We'll now enter the details as shown in our slides, which is user is Postgres, our database is testdb, our password is password, and we have the data source as PostgreSQL. We'll now click on OK and see that the connection is successful on the left side. This is how we connect to the PostgreSQL database manually. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked the video, please press the like button. If you're viewing our content for the first time, please subscribe. If you have any queries, either post them in the comment section below or email us at support@prolifix.com.